Hello, creative, incredible, wonderful students. I wanted to offer you a opportunity to be a little bit of a guinea pig and see if you would like to do an independent inquiry assignment starting earlier on in the module than we planned. So, for example, we're doing a unit on cells right now, and maybe you're particularly interested in things like cancer cells, stem cells, who knows? Anything having to do with cells. Could be bacteria, could be whatever. Okay. And there's something you're curious about or you want to learn more about. And I'm going to give you the opportunity to start to dive in on that project and then connect it to use it as your major assessment. So you build your model based on what you're learning. You start your inquiry project now, and on some of those little journals and stuff, you can just submit like updates of where you are in your project. Your project will need to be at a more complex and higher level because of the time that you're putting into it. But it gives you a little bit of freedom and the possibility to be a little more creative with your time and a little more independent. And I know that some of you really, really would like that, and you're good researchers, and I want to give you the opportunity to do it. So let me know if you are interested in doing this and what questions you have, and know that you're guinea pigs and we'll figure it out together. But I have a lot of faith in you, which is why I've chosen you to be part of this experiment.